They could though if you get struck by lightning, they certainly go up in flames.
Yeah.
Give me an idea, I've never seen flowers on the side of the road down here in the last 7 years.
Wow.